Hi dear friends, today we will talk and we will show you the TikTok application, and we are going to teach you how to get 3 minutes video on TikTok. Let's pick on this application. Later, let's tap on the plus icon you can find at the bottom panel of your screen. And later, you have to little bit scroll the panel and stop it on the 3 minutes option. So let's check the result and try if we definitely can to shoot 3 minutes video. I think yes, it's too long. So to stop and to save this video, let's pick on the check mark. Thank you for this watching, and we hope that you will subscribe on to our TikTok and of course YouTube channel. Goodbye guys, have a nice day.